Hi, I'm Matt with Lidlox, and today we're going to install a Lidlox grip tip helmet lock on a 2012 Victory Hammer 8-ball. So these just have plastic end caps, all these Victories. Really, you just grab them and pull them off of there. Then you take our Lidlox 1-inch universal expanding rubber plug helmet lock, slide it into the end of the bars. Sometimes you might have to grab this, get the plug to expand a little bit to start to catch in there. Then slide that on all the way. Make sure you got a little gap for clearance to the end of the throttle. Snug that down, and that's solid as a rock. Make sure your throttle's still free and clear. Then we're going to take our lock core, I'm going to thread it into the end. Then we're going to use our key. The little ridge on the key fits in that slot right there. Just put it in partially, and then you can use the key as a tool to turn that lock core just till it bottoms out like that. And then there's a set screw in the bottom. Take the Allen key that's supplied with your lid locks and snug down that set screw to keep that lock core in there from vibrating out. And there, you're installed. Now, to use your lid locks, you take your helmet extender, put it up through your D-rings, or on a clasp helmet, you slide it up through the clasp on the helmet, and then you put it up in here, push your pin down, and hang your helmet from your handlebars, and you're done. To unlock it, just take your key, put it in the slot, rotate it, pop the pin out, pull your helmet off. There you go, you're good to go. This is the same fitment on all of the Victories except the Visions. They either have that chrome end cap or the small black end cap on the cross countries, and either way, it's just a plastic end cap. Just pull it on out of there. You got a 1-inch handlebar. Use the 1-inch universal lid locks. They come in black or chrome, and it's that easy to install. So my website is www.lidlox.com, Lidlox, and my email is just Matt, M-A-T-T, @lidlox.com. If you have any fitment questions or any questions whatsoever, just email me, and thanks for watching.